Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Elektra Deliziosa, T1 Deliziosa. Came into the shop for a tune-up and also to address an issue with the contactor. So sometimes these contactor relays that control the heating element, they can malfunction. The owner ended up replacing it with this contactor, and it functions fine, but it's really loud, as you can hear here. And that noise can be pretty disruptive. So we ended up replacing it with the smaller contactor that comes with these Elektras. And I just replaced that, and it's working properly now. You might not even hear it at all very much, but at one point during this video it might click on and off for when it turns the heating element on and off. And secondly, we did a tune-up on the machine, so I just descaled. Oh, you heard that click? That we descaled the steam boiler and then the heat exchanger. I also cleaned the group head. Here's the old group head gasket. You can see it still has some pliability, but as you can see here, you might be able to see here that there's some cracks forming in it, or some like roughness. You can see here there's a little chip in the gasket. So it's about time to replace that. And then we replace the shower screen. As you can see here, a lot of the holes are clogged with coffee, and because these are, it has this mesh here, coffee gets under the mesh, so we ended up just replacing it instead of cleaning it. So, after all that, we have to work the machine. Now it's just fresh water in here, it's plumbed in. You can see that there's pressure, and there's no portafilter provided, but so I'm not going to do a test shot, but I am going to just show that the group head works. So accept. There we go. And that's the volumetric dosing. Alright, so that's about it for this video. If you found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.